In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in with Google in Wise. By the end, you'll be signed in quickly and securely using your Google account with a clear sense of what to expect on each screen. First, open your web browser and head to wise.com. Type it directly into the address bar to avoid lookalike links, and take a quick glance for the secure padlock icon next to the URL, so you know you're on the official site. Once the page loads, look to the top right and click Login. That button is your gateway to the sign-in options. On some screens, it may sit in a compact menu, but it's always easy to find in the top area of the page. On the login screen, choose the option to continue with Google. It may say, Continue with Google, or simply show the Google logo. Clicking this opens a secure Google sign-in window. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll see your available accounts right away. Pick the account you want to use with Wise. If you aren't signed in yet, Google will prompt you to enter your usual details. You're authenticating directly with Google here, not handing anything to Wise, which keeps this step both convenient and secure. After you confirm the Google account, Google may briefly ask you to verify that you trust this sign-in. Just review what's shown and proceed. Then, you'll be redirected back to Wise. That's it. Your Wise session opens, and you're in. You should land on your dashboard or the last page you accessed with that account. A couple of quick tips to make the process smoother. If you have more than one Google account and choose the wrong one by accident, use the Google account switcher in the sign-in window to pick the correct one. If a pop-up blocker prevents the Google window from opening, allow pop-ups for wise.com and try again. And if you see an unfamiliar permission prompt, read it carefully so you know exactly what you're approving before you continue. To recap, you go to wise.com, click Login at the top right, choose the Google option, and complete the Google sign-in. With that, you're securely logged into Wise without needing to type a separate password on the Wise site. Thanks for watching. If this walkthrough helped, you're ready to sign in with Google on Wise anytime, quickly and confidently.